Ibotta app updates can sometimes change how features load, how offers appear, or how cashback tracking works after installation. By the end, you'll know the common steps to fix Ibotta after an update, and what to check before contacting support. Start by checking if the problem is only happening inside the app. Open Ibotta and test different sections, such as offers, account information, and your earnings history, to see where the issue appears. The first fix is updating the app again if a newer version is available. App updates can include bug fixes, so running the latest version can resolve problems caused by an incomplete or outdated installation. If Ibotta is freezing, not loading, or showing blank screens, close the app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app clears temporary problems that can happen after an update. Next, check your internet connection. Ibotta needs a working connection to load offers, sync account information, and process cashback activity. If the app still does not work correctly, restart your phone. A device restart can fix background issues that prevent apps from running normally after an update. You can also check your phone storage. Low storage space can affect how apps install updates and save temporary files. If you are missing offers after an update, confirm that you are signed into the correct Ibotta account. Switching accounts or using a different login can make your available offers and earnings history appear different. For receipt or cashback tracking problems, review the offer requirements again. Make sure the purchased item, store, receipt information, and submission details match the offer conditions. Avoid deleting your account or creating a new one to fix update problems. Account changes can make it harder to track existing earnings and activity. If none of these steps fix the issue, contact Ibotta support through the app. Include your device type, the app version, the problem you are seeing, and any screenshots that show the error. The main fixes are checking for the latest app version, restarting the app and phone, confirming your account, and reviewing offer requirements before contacting support. Your next step is to open Ibotta, check for another update, restart your device, and test the app again before trying more advanced fixes. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta problem, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.